this is Rick with Tahoe Ridge Winery, and we're here to talk about ice wine. Now, doesn't that sound like a lot of fun now that I'm sitting here in the middle of July and the nice warm weather? But let's talk about ice wine because that's what we're releasing here now. So ice wine we harvest by law when the temperature is 10 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. The grapes actually have to be frozen solid on the grapevine. And so it makes for a real fun experience because we're out there usually in about the middle of December, and it's usually 4 to 5 degrees outside, usually a lot of snow on the ground. Isn't this sounding like fun? Come on down and sign up for the harvest. We'll get you on the list. Anyways, it's a wonderful wine. We harvest it typically about 2 o'clock in the morning when the temperature reaches the optimal temperatures. We go out there, we harvest the fruit, we take it back to the winery. We usually have it to the winery about 5:30, 6 in the morning. And then we start the very slow, arduous process of actually turning those frozen little berries into this juice that we call the nectar of the gods. And it's just a real syrupy kind of texture to the actual juice itself. But it just creates this wonderful, wonderful flavor. So we produce about a wine that has about 7% alcohol, and it oftentimes has about 30 to 35% residual sugar in it. So it's a very sweet wine, but just amazing flavors. Again, we make this off the La Crosse grapes. We also produce it off the Brianna grapes also. And we get very similar flavor profiles to both of them. So this particular wine is going to be released here relatively soon, probably in the late July, early August time frame of 2010. And we encourage you to come down. Unfortunately, you cannot sample it, but you can buy a sample of it for $20 a sampling. But it's a very wonderful wine. It's sold in 375 milliliter bottles, and we encourage you to come down and try it. So, Tahoe Ridge Winery in downtown Minden, Nevada. Cheers.